What if the most powerful console of 2026 does not come from Sony, or Microsoft, but from the same company that made your phone? And what if it does not look like a console at all? No giant tower. No glowing lights. No loud fans. Just a small, clean box sitting quietly under your TV. That is the direction the new Apple TV leaks are pointing toward, and if this turns out to be real, the living room is about to change in a big way. For years, Apple TV was never taken seriously in the gaming world. It was a streaming device. A simple way to watch shows, rent movies, and mirror your iPhone screen. It stayed in its lane. Meanwhile, PlayStation and Xbox fought their wars. Bigger graphics. Bigger machines. Bigger promises. But Apple has been building something in the background. Chip after chip. Year after year. Their silicon has become faster, smarter, and more efficient than almost anything else in consumer tech. Now the rumor is that the 2026 Apple TV will carry the A17 chip. That is not a basic processor made for streaming. That is high-end mobile-level power, redesigned for serious performance. And when Apple places that kind of chip in a home device, they are not just thinking about movies. Leaks suggest advanced graphics features like hardware-level ray tracing could finally arrive on Apple TV. That means lighting in games would look realistic. Reflections would feel natural. Worlds would feel deeper and more alive. Combine that with smoother frame rates and possible 8K output support, and suddenly this small box is stepping into territory that used to belong only to expensive consoles and gaming PCs. But here is the twist. Apple does not build power the same way others do. They focus on efficiency. That means strong performance without massive cooling systems. No loud fan noise. No heat blasting into your room. Just silent power. That matters more than people think. Many families do not want a huge plastic machine dominating their living space. A compact device that blends in but performs like a console could feel like the perfect balance. Still, the real story might not even be gaming. It might be control. The A19 chip is also expected to push artificial intelligence much further. On-device processing instead of cloud dependence. That means faster voice recognition. Instant responses. Better privacy. Imagine walking into your home and saying a simple command. The Apple TV understands you immediately. It switches profiles. It recommends content based on your history. It adjusts smart lights if connected. It syncs with your iPhone without you touching anything. This turns the Apple TV into more than a media player. It becomes the central system of your home. And this is where Apple has an advantage that no console company can easily match. Apple already owns the ecosystem. Your phone, your tablet, your laptop, your watch, your cloud storage. Everything connected. If a game you download on your iPhone automatically appears on your Apple TV with your progress synced through iCloud, that is powerful convenience. Start playing on the go. Continue on your big screen at night. No extra accounts. No separate networks. Just one Apple ID running everything. Now imagine the pricing strategy. If Apple truly launches this device near the $99 mark as some rumors suggest, it changes the game completely. Instead of choosing between a $500 console or nothing, families could enter gaming and smart home integration at a much lower cost. Apple does not need to earn huge profit from the box itself. Their real money comes from services. Apple Arcade subscriptions. Apple TV Plus. App Store purchases. Digital rentals. The hardware becomes a gateway. The more devices inside homes, the stronger the ecosystem grows. And Apple has over 1 billion active users already. That is a massive starting advantage. In my honest opinion, if Apple delivers on performance, keeps the price aggressive, and supports serious game titles, the 2026 Apple TV could quietly take over the casual console market. Hardcore competitive gamers may still stick with dedicated systems, but everyday users might not see a reason to spend hundreds more. Apple does not win by shouting. They win by simplifying. By connecting everything. By removing friction. If these leaks turn into reality, this small black box could become the most important device in the living room, powering your movies, your games, your smart home, and maybe even future augmented reality exp. Riences. The console war may not end with an explosion. It may end with a quiet click as millions of people choose convenience over complexity. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video and hit the bell icon.